Hi guys, welcome back to New Zealand Numismatics. Today we have an Australian 1984 $1 coin. Here on the reverse, it is the Mob of Roost, the definitive design by Stuart Devlin. And here, on the edge, we can see segmented reading all around. And here on the obverse, we can see the second FG of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Macken. This coin is made of aluminium bronze. It weighs 9 grams, the diameter is 25 millimeters, and this coin is 2.5 millimeters thick. This coin has a mintage of 185,985,000 coins at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. This coin is the first Australian $1 coin for circulation, which replaced the $1 note featuring Queen Elizabeth II. As you can see, this coin is metallic oriented, which means that when you flip it from the top and bottom, the obverse and reverse are aligned. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you next time.